This word is pronounced mandatory. Mandatory. We have 4 syllables, man, da, tor, e, and the stress comes on the first syllable, man. Mandatory. Mandatory. The first syllable is simply the word man, starting with the end sound, going into the short the short a sound, and ending with the end sound, man. The second syllable is duh. This is something we say if something is quite obvious.
Cats are really wonderful creatures.
Duh. So we have the D sound, followed by the short U sound, duh, manda. The third syllable is tor, starting with the T sound, followed by the word or, which is one of the R-controlled vowels, the sound you hear in words like door, before, pour. And finally, we end with the long E sound, E. Mandatory. 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 Now, according to what I've seen on television, there are certain restaurants in the United States where wearing a jacket is mandatory. I have never been to such a place. Have you ever been to a place where a certain type of clothing is mandatory? Tell me about that in the comments below. And if you want to learn more right now, go ahead and click on this video.